Are you stressed about your virtual university final term exams? Don't worry, you're not alone, and you're at the right place. Today, I'm sharing 5 proven and super easy tips that'll help you prepare smarter, not harder, and ace those VU finals. Tip number 1. Always start with your VU course outline. You can find it on your LMS dashboard. Don't skip this. Go through it carefully and highlight the units or topics that carry the most marks. The course outline is basically your exam roadmap, so trust me, focus on those highlighted sections and you'll already be ahead of the game. Now, tip number 2. Study your VU handouts properly. Almost all your final exam questions come from the handouts, so make them your best friends. Read every lecture with attention, and as you go, make short notes of key definitions, important formulas, and any examples that pop up. Writing things in your own words really helps them stick. Tip 3. Practice, 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 especially with past papers, quizzes, and GDBs. You'd be surprised how often concepts and even MCQs repeat in VU final exams. So, solve as many past papers as you can, and try mock quizzes online. It's the best way to get comfortable with the question patterns and to test yourself before the big day. Tip 4. Make short notes and formula sheets just for revision. This is a lifesaver, especially for tricky subjects like math, stats, or computer science. Use sticky notes or keep a dedicated notebook. When you're revising, these quick reference sheets save so much time and boost your confidence. And finally, tip 5. Manage your time and stay consistent. Make a realistic study timetable. Don't try to cram everything the night before. Spread your study sessions out and take short breaks to keep your mind fresh. Studying a little every day is way more effective than last-minute panic. So here's the bottom line. Success in your VU final term exams isn't about stressing out. It's about preparing smartly. Stick to these 5 tips, and believe me, you'll see the difference. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop your course code in the comments for more VU exam tips. You've got this. Good luck.